Today we are going to trench down about 10 inches deep. Now we've already called in a utility locate. We are going to be digging on the right of the gas line. For doing this, you need a pair of gloves, ear protection, face shield, and if you're digging in rocky soil, we recommend shin guards. I'm going to do some hand trenching right here in this tight corner, and I'm going to come along here and jog over and then hook it back up to the cart and keep on going.
I'm here today to show you how easy it is to install site drain strip. In this case, we're installing it in lieu of a 4-inch pipe and showing you the benefits as to why you'd want to install site drain strip versus 4-inch perf pipe. Some of the benefits of using site drain strip versus 4-inch perf pipe are the minimal disturbance of the existing soil, as you can see by the trench we've dug with the GeoRipper. Also, our site drain strip accepts much more water for drainage than a perf pipe does. Another benefit is the cost savings of our site drain strip over 4-inch pipe. Roughly, you're going to save about 50% in material and labor costs. Ease of installation, less labor, some of the other attributes that you'd want to use site drain strip over 4-inch perf pipe.